Hello and welcome back to Mastermind. In this tutorial video, I will be walking you through the features in Mastermind that allow you to narrow your search using key term categories that help identify clinically relevant information. Let's begin with a simple disease gene search. The categories useful for refining your search are listed at the top of the Mastermind Association page. At the left, you can see the total number of articles that remain after filtering according to your search. To the right of this circle, you can see the individual categories. Hovering over each will produce a drop-down menu with an itemized list of the key terms comprising each category. Each key term has the number of articles that match the key term anywhere in the full text. When you click any one of these categories, by default, all of the key terms in this category will be included in your search, and all the papers that mention at least one of these terms at least once will be displayed in the article list. To select specific terms from this list, click Disable All and then select the term of interest. Selecting an additional term will include any additional articles that mention this term or the initial term. The number of articles that contain this term from among all articles currently in your filter list will be displayed in parentheses after each term. When you select a category filter, the key term sentence fragments will automatically display only those fragments containing a key term from this category. Rapidly toggling between articles will allow you to quickly scan relevant sentences. An individual key term from this category can also be selected from the drop-down menu. You can quickly clear the category key terms from your search by clicking the number at the left. Otherwise, to clear any active filter, use the Active Filters palette to deselect individual terms or otherwise the entire category. This filter will also include a variant that has been selected. Note that when new key terms are added to your search, the article plot will be filtered to only show those articles that match your search criteria. Similarly, the association strength and prioritization of these articles will change with the addition of new terms. The variant diagram will also be filtered to only show those variants that were found in articles matching your search criteria. The categories that can be searched include diagnostic significance, prognostic significance, therapeutic significance, functional studies, inheritance pattern, mechanism of action, SNPs, high-yield articles including exome and genome sequencing, and case reports. The recurrent terms category includes terms that appear with a high frequency in articles matching your search criteria. Any of these terms can be selected as a key term for further filtering and prioritization. Free text searches can be performed using advanced search capability in Mastermind Professional Edition. This tutorial has covered the basic features of Mastermind's capability to refine your literature search. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or feedback you may have at support@genomenon.com.